If Gmail is showing the error getting your messages, don't worry, because in this video I'll walk you through a few simple fixes that usually solve the problem fast. This is a common issue, and it can happen when Gmail is still syncing, when Google services are having a temporary problem, or when your storage is full and messages can't come through properly. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to troubleshoot it step by step. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing to do is refresh Gmail. If you're using Gmail in a browser, click refresh and give it a moment to reload. If you're on the Gmail app, close it completely and reopen it. Sometimes the app just needs a clean restart to reconnect properly and pull in your latest messages. Next, wait a few minutes. This sounds simple, but it matters. Gmail may still be syncing in the background, especially if you just signed in, changed networks, or recently had a connection issue. In many cases, the error clears on its own after Gmail finishes syncing. If it still isn't working, the next thing you should check is the Gmail and Google Workspace server status. Open your browser and go to the Google Apps status dashboard. If Gmail is experiencing an outage or service delay, you may not be able to fix it on your end until Google resolves the issue. If the dashboard shows a problem with Gmail, the best thing to do is wait and try again later. After that, check your Google storage space. If your Google account storage is full, Gmail may stop receiving new messages properly. Open the Google storage page and look at how much space you have left. If you're running out of space, delete old files, emails, or photos you no longer need, then empty the trash so the storage is actually freed up. Once you create enough room, Gmail should start syncing messages again. Another useful test is to open Gmail in Incognito or private mode. This helps you figure out whether the issue is caused by browser cache, cookies, or a browser extension. To do this, open a private window, sign into Gmail, and see if your messages load normally. If Gmail works fine in private mode, then the issue is likely in your regular browser session, and you may need to clear cache, disable extensions, or try a different browser. If the problem is still happening, try signing out and back in again, or switch to another device to see whether the error is limited to one browser or one app. That can help you narrow down whether this is a Gmail account issue, a browser issue, or just a temporary syncing delay. Most of the time, one of these fixes will get Gmail working again. So just to recap, refresh Gmail or reopen the app, wait a few minutes for syncing, check the server status, make sure your Google storage is not full, and test Gmail in incognito or private mode. If this video helped you fix the issue, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.